Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came while two young girls were singing the poem of the Battle of Bu'ath. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam lay on the bedding and turned his face. Then Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came and, scolding me, said, "The satanic musical instrument in the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned towards him and said, "Leave them." When the attention of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got diverted, I signaled to those girls and they went away. And the Ethiopians would play with the lances and shields at Eid. Either I or Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself said, "Do you want to watch?" I submitted yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam made me stand behind him while my cheek was on his cheek. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was saying, "O Banu Arfida, keep playing." When I got tired of it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "That's enough." I submitted yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Okay, then go." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2062.